In the city with a reputation,
Please open up!
one family serves
Do good work.
to protect,
I'm not safe.
I'm scared.
I am too.
to defend justice.
I follow the rule of law.
The National Weather Service in Northeast Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Isle of Wight County in Northeast Virginia, Surry County in Northeast Virginia, James City in Northeast Virginia, until 3:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:05 Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service radar detected a severe thunderstorm located near Surry, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to homes, roofs, or vehicles. The storm will be near James City at 2:22 p.m., Isle of Wight County at 2:31 p.m., Surry County at 2:40 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Torrential rainfall is also expected with this storm. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
You can give that animal a warm, safe bed, food, and urgent medical care. And most of all, you can give that animal the love that we all need and deserve. We need 3,000 new donors in the next 30 days. So visit our website.
Increase your risk of infections, some serious, and cancer. Before treatment, get tested for TB. Tell your doctor if you've had an infection, flu-like symptoms, sores, new skin growths, have had cancer, or if you need a vaccine. PRES.
Civil authorities have issued civil emergency message for the following Virginia counties: Isle of Wight, James City, Newport News, Surry, and Suffolk. Effective until 4:05 p.m. This message is to inform residents that the severe thunderstorm warning previously issued has been extended to other counties in the area. Remain tuned to local media for updates.
Doug.
Stuff take. Oh, what is going on in here?
It's okay, relax. Watch this. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Hey, Dave.
Wow.
Is that your agent?
It's the jingle. Try it.
Just say it.
Is there?
The National Weather Service in Suffolk has issued a tornado warning for Surry County in northeastern Virginia, Isle of Wight County in northeastern Virginia, James City in northeastern Virginia, Newport News County in northeastern Virginia, Suffolk County in northeastern Virginia, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Surrey, moving southeast at 59 miles per hour. Hazard: severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near James City at 4:33 p.m., Surrey County at 4:48 p.m., Newport News at 4:53 p.m., Isle of Wight at 5:02 p.m., Suffolk at 5:13 p.m. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
You are.
Dandruff.
You didn't tell me you were bringing a friend.
Carl and I go.
In 1924?
Ouch! Jeff, I just wanted to check in.
I got it, pal. I'm on a roll.
What if I just...
Not allowed to...
Tornado emergency for Surrey County and surrounding areas. The National Weather Service in Northeast Virginia has issued a tornado warning for Surrey County in Northeast Virginia, Isle of Wight County in Northeast Virginia, Newport News County in Northeast Virginia, James City in Northeast Virginia, Suffolk County in Northeast Virginia. Until 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:54 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near James City, moving northeast at 52 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Surrey County and surrounding areas. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: extremely dangerous tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to roofs, businesses, and homes is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This tornado will be near James City at 6:04 p.m., Surrey County at 6:10 p.m., Newport News at 6:16 p.m., Isle of Wight at 6:29 p.m., Suffolk County at 6:39 p.m. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
We have breaking news from Emergency Management. A EF4 tornado has recently struck the Surrey nuclear power plant area earlier tonight. As of now, we have no estimation of what the death count could possibly be. But it is expected to be very high. Emergency Management has not arrived to the scene to assess damages, but they are expected to arrive very soon. We will keep you updated with more information as it follows. As for other news tonight, police is looking for a person named Jaquavion Tavius who stabbed.
I'll be right back.
Okay. You think you're good enough for my Richie? But can you cook?
Introduce your family to entertainment storage customized to your needs from IKEA.
My girl's perfect in every way. Bought her a ring for that special day. Everything was going great, I say, till she saw how much I had to pay.
Don't get soaked paying double. The Jewelry Factory has thousands of GIA and EGL certified diamonds at the guaranteed lowest.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Virginia Emergency Management Agency. This message is being issued due to the recent situation following the F4 tornado which struck near the Surrey nuclear power plant. Emergency management has been assessing the damages and it has been reported that the Surrey nuclear power plant suffered damages from the tornado. As of now, it cannot be assured that a meltdown won't occur. But studies of the damages show that a meltdown is unlikely. However, you should remain aware for updates on this situation. Those who are close to the power plant should make sure they have evacuation routes and emergency supplies should a meltdown occur. Remain tuned to local media for future updates on this event.
Warning, reactor core is at critical point. All reactor core safeguards are now non-functional. Please prepare for reactor core meltdown. Explosion imminent. Evacuate the facility immediately.
Things. Also, your share of bad things.
We know that using Workday for finance and HR makes you great at your job.
That don't make you a rock star.
Oh, Ted in finance, you're a rock star.
So much. But what if they could see more? What if you could see the world in a more interesting way? You could finally work with horses. You love horses. Or what if rather than using your mind's eye,
Emergency situation declared. Pay close attention to this broadcast. This message is being issued due to an ongoing emergency with the Surrey nuclear power plant. A meltdown of the plant is occurring. Repeating. A meltdown of the plant is occurring. This is not a drill. The following safety precautions should be taken immediately. If you are evacuating, take all necessary supplies with you, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a radio or mobile device capable of receiving media updates. important documents, and pets. If you are sheltering in place, make sure you have an enclosed space. You should ideally stay in the lowest floor, with as few vents and windows as possible. Make sure to turn off all air conditioning or heating systems, and seal all cracks and close all windows, to prevent radioactive materials from entering your shelter. Exposure to these materials will result in a radiation poisoning, which will result in your demise. Fail to follow these instructions at your own peril. This station will now go off air indefinitely. Tune to another station to receive media updates.
A civil authority has issued civil emergency message for the following counties/areas: Norfolk, Virginia, at 12:49 p.m. on April 7, 2018, effective until 2:18 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. This is a message from the Norfolk County Police Department. Multiple raids are taking place across Norfolk County. Do not participate in these riots, as you will be arrested. Residents are advised to stay inside until further notice. Remain tuned to local media for updates.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control, along with the Virginia Emergency Management Agency. Multiple reports of residents contracting radiation poisoning has been reported. To prevent this, you are advised to cease all use of tap water. Do not use tap water for drinking, bathing, or washing clothes or dishes. Use prepackaged water to prevent contracting radiation sickness. In addition, you are also advised to stay inside for the time being, to minimize the chance of contracting radiation poisoning. Symptoms of radiation poisoning include loss of appetite, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and headaches. If you or someone you know has experienced these symptoms, seek medical help immediately. Failure to do so could possibly result in death. You should remain tuned to local media for future updates.
Headed and tracks your success, just like that. Not magic, just feels that way. Dexcom, powerful, simple diabetes management.
Hey, I'm actor Ben Stiller.
And I'm better actor Steve Martin.
What?
Well, you're a comic actor, that's not really acting.
Okay, you couldn't act your way out of a paper bag.
Oh, you couldn't act your way into the paper bag that I was acting in.
That makes no sense.
Well, oh, so now we're making sense.
Overactor.
Underactor.
Sellout.
The civil authorities have issued a radiological hazard warning for the entire state of Virginia, effective immediately and expires at 11:59 p.m. The following message is being broadcasted at the request of the Virginia Emergency Management Agency. The recent explosion of the Surrey nuclear power plant has caused radioactive materials to spread across the state. Emergency action must be taken immediately to prevent loss of life. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you are outside, locate the nearest shelter immediately. If you are driving, pull over immediately and safely, and find shelter immediately. Your shelter should be in the lowest floor of your building, away from windows and vents. Make sure you close all windows and seal all cracks, to prevent radioactive materials from entering your shelter. Ensure you have enough rations of food and water to last at least 2 weeks. Do not, under any circumstances, attempt to go outside during the duration of this emergency. It should also be remembered that emergency services cannot help you during this situation. Do not attempt to call 911, as they will not answer. Ensure you have a first aid kit should any emergency occur. You should also make sure you have a device capable of receiving information, as it is unknown how long this emergency will last for. Remain tuned to local media for future updates. This station is now going off air. Tune to another station to receive updates.
Oh, that's the spot. That's nice. That is, you know exactly what you're doing. Oh, booking.com. I'm going to somewhere, anywhere. A beach house, a tree house. Honestly, I don't care. Hello, humidity. A fancy hotel with a sexy garden.
Landscape architect.
The primary entry point system has issued National Information Center for the following counties/areas, United States, at 9:01 a.m. on April 8, 2018, effective until 11:01 a.m., message from the United States government. This message is being broadcasted on the behalf of the President due to the ongoing situation in Virginia. If you are not aware, the Surrey nuclear power plant in Virginia has recently exploded, causing a radioactive disaster across the state. In addition to this, the water system has been contaminated in the area, which will cause complications in surrounding states. The following states are expected to be affected in the future: Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, and West Virginia. Residents close to the state of Virginia are also advised to stay inside in case of the event that radioactive materials spread any further. The United States government is currently attempting to create a plan to lessen the severity of this event, but it isn't known if it will work. At this time, you should remain tuned to local media for future updates. More information can be found on www.usa.gov/Virginia. This has been a message from the United States government. Normal programming may now resume but may be interrupted for future broadcasts.
How's that for strong? This that auntie strong.
Can y'all do this?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the West Virginia Emergency Management, along with the Centers for Disease Control. This message is being issued due to the ongoing situation with the Surrey nuclear power plant. Radioactive materials have spread across this state and into West Virginia. The plant has also caused the water systems for surrounding states to become contaminated. At this time, a mandatory shelter-in-place order is in effect immediately until the current situation ends. Rations of food, water, will be sent to your home starting tomorrow. Do not go outside for any reason, as doing so will put your life in danger. Remember to not use tap water, use prepackaged water or the rations of water given to you by emergency management. At this time, it cannot be determined when the current situation will end. But you should remain indoors and tune into local media for updates. This has been an activation of the emergency alert system. Normal programming may now resume.
This is a message for the Virginia Emergency Management Agency. All clear. Repeating. All clear. It is now safe to exit your homes. However, it is still not safe to drink tap water. You should continue to avoid using tap water, and continue to use pre-packaged water for the foreseeable future. Victims of radiation poisoning can now be treated, however, you should not call 911 in an influx, due to the possibility of an outage occurring. Emergency management are already on their way to treat victims of radiation poisoning. This has been a message from the Virginia Emergency Management Agency. The current emergency has ended, and it is now safe to exit your home. We thank you for your cooperation during this emergency. Normal programming may now resume.